Hey, fellow Illinoisans and changemakers from all over. Today, we're embarking on a remarkable journey that can turn your old car into a beacon of hope and impact. In this video, we'll walk you through the inspiring process of donating a car in Illinois. Get ready to witness how a simple act can create a ripple effect of positive change. Ever thought your old car could be a catalyst for change? It's true. By donating your car in Illinois, you're contributing to causes that matter deeply. Imagine your vehicle turning into educational resources, support for families, and the foundation for brighter futures. It's not just a car, it's a vehicle for transformation. When you donate a car, you're giving more than just a set of wheels, you're giving the gift of possibility, the chance for someone's life to take a turn for the better. Think about the impact you can have on local communities, charities, and initiatives. The journey begins here with your decision to drive change. To make a lasting impact, you need the right partner. Research is your compass. Look for reputable charities in Illinois that align with your values. Check out their missions, track records, and how they utilize the donations. Explore their websites, read reviews, and don't hesitate to reach out to them. The right charity will make sure your donation fuels positive change. Your car has served you well, and now it's time to let it serve a larger purpose, a purpose that resonates with your values and the causes you believe in. Once you've found your match, it's time to navigate the donation process. Many charities have user-friendly online forums where you'll provide details about your car make, model, year, and condition. Don't worry if your car isn't in perfect shape. Charities often accept vehicles in various conditions, and they'll guide you through every step. Remember, the process is designed to be easy and hassle-free, so you can focus on the impact you're about to make. The next step is coordinating the pickup. Once you've submitted your information, the charity will schedule a convenient pickup time from your home, workplace, or a designated location. No need to stress about transportation. They've got it covered. This seamless process lets you focus on the amazing impact your donation will create. Think about how your car, which has carried you on countless journeys, is now embarking on a new journey of its own, carrying the potential to change lives. The magic happens when your car's new journey begins. After donation, the charity may auction or sell the car, with the proceeds directly funding their initiatives. This is where the transformation takes place from vehicles to vital resources that touch lives. Picture students with access to education, families receiving support, and communities thriving. Your car opens doors to possibilities. It's a beautiful reminder that one action, one donation, has the power to ignite change in countless lives. And there you have it, fellow Illinois champions of change. Donating your car isn't just about parting with a vehicle. It's about driving impact, fostering growth, and being a catalyst for good. Are you ready to be that driving force? Hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update on how your generosity is transforming lives across Illinois. Together, let's drive change, one car at a time.